Hey guys, welcome back and welcome to if you're new. And on today's video I'm going to show you how I achieved this look. This is how my hair looks like. It's not clean because I'm going to use my soft and free gel. I did a review about this gel and my comb, and I have my bands here. So this is the simplest style.
Woke up late, missed the morning glaze, but the sunlight hits in so many ways. Grabbed my shades and hit the streets, no plan, chasing vibes like seashells in the sand. Radio hums a tune I can't name, crooked smiles, crashing waves, no shame. Flip my phone, toss it in my bag. Today's for us, no time to lag. Feel the world just turning slow. Let the breeze tell us where to go. Every step a beat we can make. Life's a tune, sing it till we break. Concrete warm under my bare feet, crowds moving like a heartbeat, skipping stones in city streams we find. Let's write a new story, leave the old behind. Someone's cooking love in the air, I swear. Every spark in their voices shows they care. Colors splash like secrets on these walls, while laughter echoes through the halls. Feel the world just turning slow. Let the breeze tell us where to go. Every step a beat we can make. Life's a tune, sing it till we break.
I went and I laid my edges of camera because I needed a mirror to do that. And this is the most important part.
Cobblestones glisten, the city hums low, a drizzle soft whisper.
This is a few hours later, like 1 hour later after I've tied my hair. I went and I showered and I brought the extension I'm going to put.
Of peace that feels heaven sent. Through bookstore windows, the stories unfold. Between dusty pages, the wisdom of old, the jazz dances.
I went and I got a big hairband to help with the grip of the extension.
Reflections in the rain, a world so surreal. Each drop tells a story, each step helps us heal. The piano keeps time for the heart's tender sway, and the
and voila, this is the final look of the hair, and I love it. Let me show you. It just got rid. If you're in a rush, I would highly recommend you try this hairstyle, as it is fast and very easy to maintain, and it uses less gel than most hairstyles. And yeah, the whole of this week, this is the style I'm going to be rocking. If you've watched up to this point, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.
On lovers